of tomorrow to the energies that will define future. Wishing you all a very warm and happy National Youth Day. A very bright and beautiful morning to all. It is my pleasure to welcome our revered principal sir, respected supervisors, teachers, parents, and my dear young friends. Once again, a very warm welcome to all of you to the virtual celebration of National Youth Day 2022. Swami Vivekananda, a Karma Yogi, was the chief disciple of the 19th century saint Sri Ramakrishna. He is accredited with introducing the glory of Indian culture, tradition, and more importantly, Indian philosophy to the Western world. To honor this divine soul, spiritual leader, nation builder, we mark his birth anniversary as National Youth Day. Without much ado, I would like to request our esteemed principal sir, along with supervisors, to offer the floral tribute to celebrate his ideas and follow the path he has sown. Sir and ma'am, please.
Yogi Param Brahma Deepam Yogi Janagara Deepam Dhartu Deepakam Deepa Yogi Namostute Shubham Karatu Kalyanam Arogyam Shukha Sampadanam Vaishnabuddhi Vinashaya Atma-yogi Namostute Atma-yogi Pravitaya Brahma-yogi Namostute Brahma-yogi Pravitaya Guru-yogi Namostute.
Offer a tribute to Swami Vivekananda through the sweet note of our poetry. Rajkishore sir, for guiding these talented students. Thank you students and thank you sir. National Youth Day is celebrated all over the nation to inspire the youth of the nation to come up and work towards the development of society and nation at large. Take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. With this beautiful quote of Swami Vivekananda, I would like to request Ms. Adi Mishra of Standard 9B to express her views on global leader Swami Vivekananda.
A man is not poor without money, but is poor without a dream and ambition. Good morning one and all present over here. This is Adi Mishra of Standard 9B, feels obliged to get this golden opportunity to speak a few lines about Swami Vivekananda on this auspicious occasion. If the Indian history is a treasure chest, then most probably the name Swami Vivekananda itself is one of the greatest treasure. He was not only a spiritual leader but also a freedom fighter who led us towards our freedom from the social evils. His teachings were mainly concentrated and focused about the development of the humanity and human society. Born in the Datta family of Calcutta, the youthful Vivekananda embraced the Gnostic philosophies of the Western minds along with the worship of science. He was a man of great virtues. The historic speech he delivered in Chicago is still embedded in various places of the world. Till today, not only in India but also in many parts of the world, his principles and values are followed and respected. His main aim in life was the upliftment of the society and the betterment of human beings and humanity. He used to say, Uttishta Jagrat Praya Virantra Vidihi, which means arise, awake and stop not until the goal is reached. Indeed, he was one of the greatest treasure that Indian history possesses. At last, I want to conclude by saying, the life of Swami Vivekananda is an inspiration to us. If we follow and respect his values, then definitely we can be better person and better human being in our life. With this, I would like to sign off. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Adi. I hope we all will be able to implement his philosophies in our lives that will make every day a joy to live. The youth of the nation are the citizens of tomorrow, and to inspire them and motivate them, our school has organized many activities. So now I would like to welcome Somya Sujata of 10C to represent her self-composed poem in Hindi. Somya Sujata.
शुभ प्रभात। मैं सौम्या सुजाता 10वीं ग की छात्रा आज राष्ट्रीय युवा दिवस के अवसर पर अपनी स्वरचित कविता पढ़ने जा रही हूँ। हे मेरे भारत के युवाओं, चलो कुछ आगाज करो, चलो कुछ आगाज करो, नए नए सपनों की बनाकर बगिया, खुशबू का तुम एहसास करो। फिर लिए फूल स्वयं बिखरने वाली, निश्चय संघर्ष और उत्साह के प्रतीक को तुम महसूस करो। तीक्ष्णता और ज्ञान के बीज को मन में पिरोकर छिड़क रंग धीरता का दुनिया को तुम पेश करो। युवा दिवस के इस अवसर पर चलो लेते हैं प्रतिज्ञा, राष्ट्र को उन्नति के पथ पर लाकर सच्चाई को तुम ग्रहण करो। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Somya. A big round of applause for her. Now, it is time to listen to Divyanshi Vishwal of 9B and her self-composed poem. Divyanshi Vishwal.
शुभ सकाळ मु दिव्यांशी विश्वास नवम श्रेणी ख विभाग छात्री आज महामानव स्वामी विवेकानंद जन्मतिथि अवसर में मु स्वरचित कविता पाठ करने को जाऊँगी। कवितार शीर्षक मो आखिरे विवेकानंद। हे महापुरुष तुमको बोलिबी महामानव, जेहेतु पृथ्वीवासी को देइथिल ज्ञान आलोकर भाव। हे ज्ञानात्मा तुम संबोधित आज देवदूत, जेहेतु तुम त्याग उत्सव बंचिथिला जगत। हे महाआनंद तुमको कहबी जीवन आनंद, जेहेतु आर्त आखिरे लुह पोछिथिल हृदय देइथिल विवेकर आनंद। हे महात्मा तुमको कहबी जगतर पिता, जेहेतु सबु धर्मर सेतु बांधिथिल शांति समतार वार्ता। धन्यवाद। वंदे उत्कल जननी।
Thank you, Divyanshi, for the beautiful poem It is really heart-touching. Swami Vivekananda represents spiritual thinking. It is Swami Vivekananda who created a virtual bridge between Indian philosophy and the Western world. His iconic speech at the Parliament of World's Religion in Chicago in 1983 made him the world's spiritual guru. So now let us enjoy that iconic speech represented by our students Krishna Jena of 10C and Shaini Das of 10B. Welcome them with a big round of applause.
सुप्रभातः अहमस्मि कृष्णाजेना कक्षा 10स्य छात्रा। अद्य अहं युवादिवसे स्वामी विवेकानन्दस्य चिकागो भाषणस्य पठनं करिष्यामि।
Good morning everyone, this is Shaini of Standard 10B. Today, on the occasion of Youth Day, I am here to present Swami Vivekananda's Chicago speech before you.
भ्रातरः भगिन्यः च अमेरिकावासिनः,
Sisters and brothers of America,
भवतां हार्दिकानन्दनपूर्णः विनम्रस्वागतं च प्राप्य मम हृदपद्मः स्फुरितः जातः।
it fills my heart with joy unspeakable to rise in response to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given us.
एतस्मात् कारणात् अहम् अतीव प्रसन्नः अस्मि। विश्वस्य प्राचीनसंस्कृतेः आगतानां साधूनां स्मरणं कारणार्थम् अहं धन्यवादं ज्ञापयामि।
I thank you in the name of most ancient order of monks in the world. I thank you in the name of Mother of Religions. I thank you in the name of the millions and millions of Hindu people of all classes and sects.
सर्वधर्माणां जननी हिन्दूधर्मः यः लिङ्गः सम्प्रदायं जातिवादं समानम् इति शीघ्रयति तस्य धर्मस्य अहं मूलनिवासी धन्यवादं ज्ञापयामि। विश्वसहनशीलता न केवलम् अपितु सर्वधर्मस्य अस्तित्वसत्यता पुनः विश्वस्य सर्वधर्मस्य सम्मान कर्तुं शिक्षा यः देशः शिक्षयति। अहं तस्य देशस्य नागरिकः आगतः अस्मि।
I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught the world both tolerance and acceptance. We believe not only in universal tolerance, but we accept all religions as true.
अहं गर्वम् अनुभवामि यत् विश्वस्य विभिन्नेषु प्रान्तरेषु आगताः विभिन्नाः धर्मावलम्बिनः जनानां कृते वासस्थानं दत्त्वा मम देशः विश्वगुरुः अभवत्।
I am proud to belong to a nation which has sheltered the persecuted and the refugees of all religions and all nations of the earth.
वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् उद्घोषयन् मम देश विश्वदरबारे तस्य परिचयं प्राप्य विश्वगुरुरूपेण प्रतिष्ठाम् अलभत्। अहं गर्वेण कथयामि यत् अस्माकं पवित्रता उदारता तथा एकता विश्वस्य विभिन्नेषु प्रान्तरेषु आगतानाम् अतिथीनां वासस्थानं दत्त्वा समर्गे विश्वे उदारतयाः परिचयं प्राप्तम्। दक्षिणभारते आगतानाम् इस्रायेल् वासिनां वासस्थानं दत्त्वा रोमान् सभ्यतायाः स्थापनां पुनर्जीवितम् अकरोत्। एतदर्थं जोडान् सभ्यतायाः अवशेषः प्रतिभाति।
I am proud to tell you that we have gathered in our bosom the purest remnant of the Israelis, who came to southern India and took refuge with us in the very year in which their holy temple was shattered to pieces by Roman tyranny.
अस्माकं श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता विश्वस्य प्रत्येक नागरिकस्य मार्गदर्शनम् अकरोत्। गीतां भगवत्सत्तायाः उपलब्धिः परिज्ञायते। यदि कोऽपि ऐश्वरिकशक्तिम् उपासनां करोति सा शक्तिः तस्य सहायतां कर्तुं तस्य पार्श्वे आगच्छति। सर्वे मानवाः फलनिमित्तार्थं परिश्रमं कुर्वन्ति, परन्तु अन्तिमे समये तत्फलं मां प्रति आगच्छति।
The wonderful doctrine preached in the Gita, whosoever comes to me through whatsoever form, I reach him. All men are struggling through paths which in the end lead to me.
सांप्रदायिक भावना हिंसात्मक व्यस्त जीवन शैली अन्योपरि पराक्रमस्य प्रयोग एषा मानशक्ति विश्वस्य हानिः करोति।
Sectarianism, bigotry, and its horrible descendant, fanatism, have long possessed this beautiful earth. They have filled the earth with violence, drenched it often and often with human blood, destroyed civilization, and sent whole nations to despair.
अहं सर्वान् निवेदनं करोमि सर्वे विश्वम् एकं परिवारं स्वीकारं कृत्वा विश्वस्य रक्षां कुरु। धन्यवादाः।
But the time is come, and I fervently hope that the bell that tolled this morning in honor of this convention may be the death knell of all fanatism, of all persecutions with the sword or with the pen, and of all uncharitable feelings between persons wending their way to the same goal. Thank you.
Thank you, Krishna and Shiny. Now, I would like to request Mrs. Swagatika Mahanti for further proceedings. Ma'am, please.
छाकर तुम अब आसमान में रवि सा यूं प्रकाश करो, देश को नई ऊर्जा देकर उन्नत अब ललाट करो। सुप्रभात। आप सभी को राष्ट्रीय युवा दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आइए नजर डालें इतिहास के उस स्वर्णिम पन्ने पर जिस दिन स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने शिकागो में भारत की सनातन धर्म की विशेषता, सहनशीलता, सार्वभौमिकता का युवा को पाठ पढ़ाया था। युवा में वायु सा बेग बहाकर भारत का परचम लहराया था। जी हाँ, भारतीय संस्कृति है ही ऐसी, हवा में चाहे आप चाहें या ना चाहें पूरे विश्व में इसकी महक पहुंच ही जाती है। सांस्कृतिक एकीकरण के उद्देश्य से पहली बार सीबीएसई ने स्कूली स्तर पर एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत कार्यक्रम की पहल शुरू की है, जिसके तहत उसने भारत के कई राज्यों को आपस में जोड़ा है। जैसे आंध्र के साथ पंजाब, तो केरल के साथ हिमाचल प्रदेश और उड़ीसा के साथ महाराष्ट्र। इससे हमारे स्थानीय लोगों में और बच्चों में इन्हीं राज्यों के सांस्कृतिक विरासत, संस्कृति, बोलचाल, पहनावा आदि की एक पहचान मिलेगी और पूरे भारत को हम एक सूत्र में पिरो सकेंगे। तो चलते हैं, देखते हैं एक नजर हमारे विद्यालय के छात्र एवं शिक्षकों ने मिलकर आज इस कार्यक्रम को कौन सा नया रूप दिया है। तो चलते हैं कार्यक्रम की ओर।
अरे मिसेस महांती, तुम नमस्ते, तुम कसे आहात? मिसेस कुलकर्णी, मी छान आहे, तुम्ही कसे आहात? मी छान आहे. नवीन वर्षाची शुभेच्छा. आपको नवीन वर्षाची शुभेच्छा. अरे मुलगी, कसे आहात?
मी छान आहे आंटी.
नवीन वर्षाची शुभेच्छा.
नवीन वर्षाची शुभेच्छा. नवीन वर्षार शुभेच्छा शानी.
ओ मुलगी ओडिया.
हाँ आंटी, टिके टिके मु कोही पारुची. हाँ मी पण येणार, तुम्ही चा सदेत.
हाँ मगाइए. चलो ताली जीवा. हाँ सिखी बारी तो. चलो. मगाइए.
पा 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 सा पा गा 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 मा गा रे 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 गा सा गा पा सा पा सा.
नमस्ते. नवीन वर्षाची शुभेच्छा.
अरे नवीन वर्षाची शुभेच्छा. बस 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 बस.
धन्यवाद सर.
अरे कृति मैडम
ଆମର ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଯୋଉ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ସୋସାଇଟିରେ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି, ସିଏ ମରାଠୀ ଗୀତ ଆମେ ଶିଖୁଥିଲୁ ତ, ମୁଁ କହିଲି ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍କୁ ବି ନେଇ ଆସି ଟିକେ ଶିଖିବେ.
आपला नाम है
अनिता कुलकर्णी.
कुलकर्णी महाराष्ट्र.
येस सर.
ही मुलगी
येस सर.
आपण झियो
मुलगी ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍ଙ୍କ ଝିଅ, ଆଉ ସାଇ ତ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ନା, ସେ ଶିଖୁଛି ଗୀତ.
बहुत बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया.
ଆଉ ସାର୍ ଗୀତ ଶିଖିବା ଟିକେ.
अच्छा हाँ ମୁଁ ତବେ ଗାଉଥିଲି. ମୁଁ ତରକାର ତା ଲିରିକ୍ କହୁଛି. ଗୀତ ଲିରିକ୍ ମାନେ ଗୀତର ଗୀତଟା ଯୋଉ स्वर्गात आकाश गंगा.
स्वर्गात आकाश गंगा.
स्वर्गात आकाश गंगा.
स्वर्गात आकाश गंगा.
बरोबर ठीक.
येस.
गंगेला सोनेरी घाट.
गंगेला सोनेरी घाट.
घाटाला पायरा शंभोर.
घाटेला पायरा संबोर.
झाला आनंद आली बहार.
झाला आनंद आई बहार.
उंची स्वर्गात आकाश गंगा.
स्वर्गात आकाश गंगा.
गंगेला सोनेरी घाट.
गंगेला सोनेरी घाट.
घाटाला पायरा समोर
घाटेला पायरा समोर
झाला आनंद आणि बहार
झाला आनंद आई बहार
झाला आनंद आणि बहार
झाला आनंद आई बहार
ठीक আছে
पूरा ठीक अच्छी सर
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू
सर बर मजा
सर्व मजा
हाँ सर
अच्छा धन्यवाद धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद सर सर विवेकानंद जयंती जो हमर स्टेज रे प्रोग्राम अछि
हाँ हाँ मैडम की नहीं चलो
हां काल के प्रैक्टिस विषय कर देबा
ଆମର ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଆଉ ମହାରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର ଯୋଉ ରହିଛି ମରାଠୀ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମରାଠୀ
एक भारत श्रेष्ठ
एक
भारत
ଭାରତ ଶ୍ରେଷ୍ଠ ଭାରତ ସେଟା ପୁରା ମିଶିକି ଗୋଟେ ଯୁଗଳବନ୍ଦୀ ଟାଇପ୍ର ହେଉଛି ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଅଛି କୋରସ୍ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଅଛି ବୃନ୍ଦ ଗାୟନ
ओके सर ठीक है जी सर चलो
ମାନେ ତ ବଢ଼ିଆ ବଢ଼ିଆ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
हां से
इस सुंदर प्रस्तुतिकरण के लिए आप सभी का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद। अब आगे के कार्यक्रम के लिए मैं मंच पर ताराश्री मैम को बुलाना चाहूंगी।
Thank you, Swagatika ma'am. Now I would like to request our revered principal sir to address the gathering and enthrall us with his extraordinary speech. Sir, please.
Good morning, all of you. Respected supervisors, teachers, students, and the parents and students those are on the virtual platform. Hearty congratulations to all of you on the occasion of National Youth Day. आज लखनऊ we are celebrating National Youth Day in the remembrance of the great saint, the great philosopher of the 19th century, who has taken the philosophy of Hinduism to the world. The time whenever Hinduism at the crossroads, lot of challenges are there. He at the age of 28 represented India to take part in the Parliament of World Religions in 1893. I can recall his opening page, my brothers and sisters. Think of the thought process of that great man. It means we all are the brothers and sisters. The Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the great thought of Indian philosophy, he expressed there. And for what he was lauded by all the members those who were there. That philosophy of not differentiating one from the other, bringing integration among all the cultures, all the countries, all the languages, still it has importance at today's world. So on his birthday, we salute to this great person who has given direction to the India. When he planned to go to United States of America to attend the Chicago meeting of Parliament of World Religions, he went to take permission from Mother Sarada Devi, and he asked for, Mother, I am going to take part, I need your permission. Mother remained silent. Simply she asked, give me that knife which was falling on the ground. She told to Swami Vivekananda, give me that knife. Swami Vivekananda handed over that knife to mother. Then the mother told, now you can go. When Vivekananda asked mother, you didn't take any taste of me, you didn't ask me anything, but simply told me to go attend the parliament. You gave her permission. How come? The mother explained, if I would have asked someone else to give me that knife, he would have held the wooden part in his own hand and must have given the serpent part to me. But you hold the serpent hand in your hand and hand over the wooden part to me. This shows your thought of not hurting anybody, taking everyone with you. Therefore, I told you are mature enough. You know you don't need any permission from me. You can go to attend. On this great occasion, we must repeat the quote of Swami Vivekananda: arise, awake, not stop till we reach. To whom he is saying? He is saying to everyone. At present time, we are lack of patience. We are lack of commitment. After getting success, we stop, we take rest. But he says, don't stop. You go on doing your work as long as you have not reached your goal. You can achieve it. You should move on. And this is necessitated particularly the young generation. At present we are showing more than 60% of Indian population are youth. But if youth will not carry this philosophy, this code to their workings, then the youth of today that we are proud of may not be true for future. With this, hearty congratulations to all of you on this National Youth Day. Thank you. Join in Guru.
Thank you, sir, for endowing the young minds with your words of wisdom. Knowledge becomes power only when we put it into use. A very cheerful morning to one and all. With great joy and immense exultation, I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to one and all who have joined us today on this virtual platform. 25 years of splendid journey of our alma mater, DAV Kalinganagar, has all set in to commemorate various competitions to mark its Silver Jubilee celebration. This inter-school quiz competition is yet another milestone to go one step further to make this journey more successful. Connecting physically and connecting virtually is not a matter of concern here. What we need to understand is that we are united. Now, may I request our esteemed principal sir, Shri Bipin Kumar Sahu, to render the welcome address and shower his blessings on all the worthy participants. Sir, please.
Thank you, Tarasri. Good morning, one and all present over this platform. Respected regional officer, national regional officer, the principals, in-charge teachers, Mr. Bhivesh Rath, the quiz master, and the participants. Welcome to all of you to DAV College platform on this sacred observation of Silver Jubilee year. The journey we started in 6 July 1997 through various ups and downs, through joys and sorrows, victories and triumphs, is still going on with the same values and ethos that has started on the day one of its inception. The journey from rented house to spacious four-story building at present, from pre-primary level school to present senior secondary level, for all these, the credit goes to our founder principal, the present regional officer of DAV institutions of Zone 1, Dr. K.C. Satpathy. He put the foundation with the blessings and guidance of late Major Ashok Kumar and our founder chairman, late Engineer B.C. Patnaik. I cherish all those persons on this sacred observation. I am glad to know that our 29 sister organizations are being part of this quiz competition. I am thankful to all the participants, in-charge teachers, and in particular to the heads for being part of our Silver Jubilee year celebration and taking part in the activities. It gives a strength to us to move ahead beyond 25 years. Hearty welcome all the participants, in-charge teachers to DAV College Nagar online platform. Friends, we are organizing this event today. Today is a red letter day for all the Indians. It is National Youth Day, the birthday of the great saint and great philosopher, Swami Vivekananda. I recall his great quote, "Arise, awake, stop not till goal is reached." This is very relevant to we all in this generation. As present in India, we do have more than 60% of youth, but if they don't maintain the patience, if they don't have the commitment, if they don't maintain the to get the goal achieved, then this youth may not be a successful future citizen of India. So don't shy away with small success, or don't take rest with the failures. Try, and again try. Nothing is impossible. You can achieve your goal. With this spirit, let's move on with this competition. I wish all the best to all the participants and expect the competition will be very competitive, enjoyable, and develop a sense of brotherhood among all of us. With this, thank you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your blessings and kind words. So let's put a big round of applause for our quiz master, Mr. Bivas Rath. Sir, the stage is all yours.
A very, very good morning to all of you. We are all gathered here to celebrate the 25 years of establishment of this wonderful institution, DAV Public School, Kalinganagar. Now, all of you know that we are gathered here for the preliminary round. From the preliminary round, we will select the top 6 teams and we will take you to the finals. How are we going to select the top 6 teams? It's pretty simple. We will provide you a Google form which has 20 questions. Out of those 20 questions, not all of them are MCQ based questions. Not all are MCQs. Some could be one-word answer, some could be a two-word answer. So it's going to be a mix of some MCQ questions, majorly MCQ questions, and some one or two-word answers which you need to type out. I have made sure that certain spelling errors are accounted for while checking the Google form. But don't worry, I will personally make sure and I will personally see that even if there are minor spelling mistakes, we adjust you for that. Now, out of all of the participating schools, participating teams which are present here, the teams which give me the most number of correct answers in the least amount of time are going to make it into the finals. 20 simple questions. You will have approximately 15 minutes of time. And I think that will be more than good enough for all of you. Give me a thumbs up if you think 15 minutes time is good enough for 20 questions, out of which majority are MCQs. Don't add your full names, don't just add your first names so that it's easy for me to identify and call out as to whoever I'm wanting to give the answer. So without further ado, let's have a look at the finalists. And these are the finalists for the Silver Jubilee Commemorative Quiz. Congratulations to DAV Public School Unit 8. Congratulations to DAV Public School Pokhariput, to DAV Public School Paradip, to DAV Public School Chandrasekharpur, to DAV Public School Kalinganagar, and to DAV Public School Joda. So, all teams, if you are ready, we will have the first question. Remember, on a direct and on a pass, you do not have any negatives, but on a pounce, you have a +10 and a -5. So be very sure when you are going on the pounce, right? All the best. May the best of you win the quiz today. First question. And yes, there will be a timer all along the quiz. And this timer will tell you the time within which you can pounce the question. Like if the timer runs out, then pouncing is closed. So you have to pounce within the first 20 seconds of the question, right? After 20 seconds, if I get the pounces, I am not going to accept those. Are we clear on that? Team 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all across the aisle. Are we clear about that? Wonderful. So let's start with the first question of today's quiz. And question number 1 is direct to team number 1. Open on pounce to all of you, and you will see pounce open already, right? So the veteran filmmaker Sohrab Modi did a movie in 1953 which was released in the USA as The Tiger and the Flame. Hollywood technicians worked on this project and the film was heavily based on a novel of the same name made by Vrindavan Lal Verma. Who was this movie based on? Pounce timer running out, and 1 second on the pounce timer. That is where it will stop, guys. So, yep, time is up on the pounce. No one is pouncing on this one. No, only one team pounced. Closing the pounce. Closing the pounce. No one else is pouncing. Only one team has pounced. Okay, that's it. Now we will go to the direct ones. The direct is for guys. Pounce is already closed. DAV Pokhariput. It was already closed, guys. Yeah. Okay, so once I say the pounce, see the timer will always stop at 001, but you have to listen to me when I say the timer is stopped. Else you can say, sir, 1 second was there and we had said the answer. No, this 1 is technically the 0 here. Okay, so yeah, this is sorry. Yeah, this is on the direct to team number 1. Team number 1, do you have an answer to this?
Sir, we think it is Subhash Chandra Bose.
Okay. You think it's Subhash Chandra Bose. I will pass on to team number 3. Team number 2 had pounced on it. Team number 3, DAV CSpur. Anshuprit and Sarmishta.
So we are not bouncing, but is it Sadnagar?
No, you are not bouncing. You are. This is on the pass. On the pass, you don't have any negatives. No, not Shadnagar. Passing on to DAV Pokhariput.
Jhansi Ki Rani.
That is indeed the correct answer. Jhansi Ki Rani is what I was looking for. That is the correct answer. So the scores that we will be awarding is for question number 1, team 2 gets plus 10 because they pounced Jhansi Ki Rani and they got it correct. And team 4 gets plus 10 because they got it on the pass. Wonderful. So next question is direct to team number 2 and it will be open on pounds to all of the teams. Team 2, ready for your direct? Okay, and you will have to pounce within 20 seconds of time. So points to team number 2 here and points to team number 4 here. Next question is for team number 2 on your screens now. So identify this famous leader of India whose famous call against the British was Abuja Raj Satyajana Maharani Raj Tandujana. So this is, my pronunciation might be wrong. So the English translation is something like this. Pounce is open already. So let the kingdom of Queen be ended and our kingdom be established. This thing is still remembered widely in the tribal areas of Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal and Bihar. Which famous leader are we talking of? 5 seconds on the pounce. 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0.
Sir, I am bouncing.
Yes, yes. 2 teams have pounced. 0. Pounce is closed. I have seen pounce from 2 teams. That's DAV Unit 8 and DAV Pokhariput. 2 teams have pounced. Pounce
Sir,
is closed.
we are also doing, right?
No, you are not pouncing because your answer is still not here. So
sir,
people who have pounced, no, that is your nobody. You have to be faster because already 2 teams have pounced and within this discussion, 15 seconds have passed. No, now you are giving the answer. Huh? No, this is not done. This is like the thing is, sir, wait. I am taking out a pen, giving out something else. I understand, man. I have been a student very recently also. So yeah, DAV Kalinganagar, this is your direct now. DAV Kalinganagar, your direct. Do you have an answer? Sorry?
The Birsa Munda.
Absolutely correct. DAV CSPur, need to be a bit faster on that. You had almost got that answer there. So plus 10 to you guys on Birsa Munda. That's the correct answer that I was looking for. So on this particular question, points to team number 4 because they got it on the pounce. So plus 10 to team number 4 and plus 10 to team number 1. They also got it on the pounce. And on the direct, this was answered by team number 2. So team number 2 will also get a plus 10. So 3 teams.
I would request our revered principal, sir, to declare the results. Sir, please.
Let me start from bottom. The second runners-up is DAV Public School, Chandrakarpur. All of you unmute and give a big clap. All of you unmute. First runners-up, it goes to DAV Pokhariput, 255 points. Chandrakarpur, 185 points. And the Jubilee winner is DAV Kalinganagar with 260 points. Hearty congratulations to all the 3 teams and particularly all the finalists. You have done a very splendid job. For the memory and memento that we have.
Thank you, sir. Now, I invite my colleague, Mr. Jagdish Chandra Das Adhikari, to draw the curtains of this mega event by proposing the vote of thanks. Before I take your leave, I submit to the Supreme for you for your good health and well-being. Thank you once again.
Thank you, madam. A warm and graceful afternoon. I am privileged to propose vote of thanks to all joined this event to commemorate the silver jubilee year of our beloved alma mater, DAV Public School, Kalinganagar, through a quiz program on the occasion of reminiscing the saint of the world. I am not wrong if I say so, immortal Swami Vivekananda. Long live his spirit within us. Long live the spirit of DAV fraternity. Long live the spirit of my beloved alma mater. First of all, on behalf of the DAV fraternity Kalinganagar Bhubaneswar, I express my deepest gratitude to the Honorable President of DAV College Managing Committee, New Delhi, Dr. Poonam Suri ji, Dr. Nisha Pesin, Director, PS2 and Academics, DAVCMC New Delhi, esteemed Chairman, Sir Srijukta Madan Mohan Panda, Regional Officer, Dr. Kesav Chandra Satpathy, Assistant Regional Officer, Dr. Sujata Sahu, Manager of the school, Dr. Mrs. Bhagyavati Nayak, for your blessings to carry on the day. Next, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our esteemed Principal Sir for his enthusiasm to commemorate the Jubilee year, thereby inducing a new spirit within us. Sir, your motivation acts as a catalyst for our force. Your guidance acts as our success route. We have been fortunate enough to be backed up by a leader like you. You have been the backbone of the functions. Thank you, sir, once again. Next, I would like to thank today's quiz master, Mr. Vibhas Rath, who is present amongst us. The quiz time was not only insightful and challenging, but it was a fun too. Throughout the program, the way you tackled, no one felt being grilled at all. Everyone had a great time at the quiz, and the feedback has been fantastic, even from those that were a little nervous with the idea in the beginning, sir. The professionalism displayed while conducting the quiz is really prodigious. The program went down really well, sir. Thank you once again. I must mention my deepest sense of appreciation, for I would like to take this opportunity to place on record my hearty thanks to all the principals of the schools participated in the quiz program for their kind cooperation and consent to be a part of this great event, sir. Sirs and madams, thank you for your support and superlative cooperation. I also extend thanks to all the members of Silver Jubilee Committee, supervisors, members of Quiz Club, IT department, and all other staff members for their enormous action and cooperation for this event. Next, I thank all the participants and the mentors for your vibrant preparation and participation. You are the real heroes of this event. Your tenacity to brave the questions and whom to win was the star attraction. Thank you, dear children, once again. I also thank all the viewers for joining the events. Thanks a lot to one and all directly or indirectly involved in this program to make it a grand success. Last but not the least, on behalf of DAV Kalinganagar fraternity, I owe to Almighty and continuously pray to the Omnipresent to provide us such opportunities plenty and bless us to be free from the pandemic. Jai Hind.